Good morning, everybody. Welcome to BTR Bootcamp. Right, and I am Dr. Apoor Mehra. I am an orthopedic surgeon, and right, we will start with the lamp lighting and prayers. So we'll request our teachers, your teachers, teachers of all, कि वो प्लीज आके पूजा करें. ताली बजा दो यार. आ जाओ प्लीज कम. आ जाओ बेटा, खड़े हो जाओ आप सारे. We'll now request Dr. Zainab to welcome you, and then sequentially Goga Bhai, Vivek sir, and Ravi to talk to all of you. So Zainab, बुलाओ सबको, मुबारक करो.
Hi everyone, good morning. So welcome to the boot camp. I'm very thrilled to see a full house on the first day, 9 o'clock winter morning. It's gonna get colder and it's gonna get tougher. First day आना सबसे easy होता है. Let me just tell you that it's who shows up every day, and that is all that you have to ensure कि I have to show up daily. That is the only promise that I want from you, no matter how cold it is, no matter how overwhelmed you feel, no matter how negative you feel, you have to show up. Yes, that's a promise that you make. A lot of parents are here, a lot of teachers are here, so that is all I want from you, is to tell yourself now that this is what I'm going to do for the next 60 days or so, and after that also. So that is what we are going to do. I am going to try very hard to ensure that whatever we do is going to be useful to you. I don't know whether it will be enough, but I will try my best that whatever I know, उतना तो मैं पढ़ा ही दूंगी जितना मुझे आता है. That is what I will ensure. I will give it my 100%. I want exactly the same from you, nothing short. कि जितना एफर्ट मैं डाल रही हूँ उतना डालना है, बस इतना ही. कि मैम डाल रही, मैम नहीं डाल रही तो हम भी नहीं डालेंगे, बस इतना. राइट, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर गोना डू. एंड give the test seriously. We have a lot of our students from the previous boot camp who've done very well, So जो हमारे consistently top 3 होते थे in all of our first boot camp tests, they've gotten actually the top 3 results in INICT as well. So usually usually ऐसा होता है कि इसमें आप credit कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ले लेता है कि देखो हमारी टेस्ट कितनी बढ़िया थी कि जो टॉप 3 आ रहे थे वही टॉप 3 आए. बट नो, दे वर सो गुड दैट वो वैसे ही टॉप 3 आए हैं कंसिस्टेंटली. सो दैट्स व्हाट you guys have to learn from them. They'll talk to you about how they utilize the boot camp. That's why we welcome them कि आप उनको समझाओ how to best utilize this place, how to best utilize the course. So that's what you have to learn कि पॉसिबल है ना. हम यहाँ पे आए हैं विद द सेंस ऑफ बिलीफ एंड कॉन्फिडेंस दैट वी विल बी एबल टू डू इट. सो दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड. इन बिटवीन इट विल गेट टफ. इट्स अ लॉन्ग कोर्स, but the good thing is that it creates a habit. So make a habit, make a routine बनाना tough होता है, एक बार बन जाता है it gets easier, right? So that's what you all have to do, is try for a routine. अभी से शुरू करो, from today itself, right? And do it over and over again until it becomes habit. It comes naturally to you. यहाँ से जाओगे उसके बाद भी वो अपने आप ही वैसे ही body function करेगा. So that's what we'll all learn. We'll keep talking a lot more as the days go along. I would now like to welcome GRG sir, all of our favorite teacher. So sir, thank you so much for coming and welcoming the students. Please.
Thank you, Zan. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Govind Rai Gar. मैं GRG और गोगा से. So first of all, I welcome you all to boot camp. Now regarding preparation for PG entrance, there are three main pillars of preparation. First, obviously, is the knowledge. That means your knowledge, conceptual knowledge, all these knowledge. But second very important thing is the question practice, because actual exam is of MCQ. So howsoever knowledge you may have, but if you are not practicing the MCQs properly, then result will not be good. And third and most important is practice. That means grand test. So you have to give the grand test regularly. Otherwise, you will not find where you are making the mistakes. So these are the three pillars you have to bank upon. There will be days when you will not find कि आज पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा, तो कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे दिन आएंगे. Divide your days into small slots, ताकि अगर आपका कोई slot खराब होता है तो पूरा दिन खराब ना हो. So that is very important. Just be consistent. Preparation को last day तक लेके जाना है, and everything will be good. All the best.
Thank you, Govind sir. Hello, friends. I am Dr. Vivek Jain, teacher of your favorite subject, PSM. Right. Good to see everyone smiling. Welcome to boot camp. Congratulations, Dr. Zainab and Dr. Ravi, for organizing this wonderful treats for you. Friends, how are you liking the winters of Delhi? सबने जैकेट पहनी हुई है, कैप्स पहनी हुई है. And how are you liking the air quality of Delhi? Welcome to Delhi, right? So mask, caps, please do carry with you, primary level of prevention. But 60 days is a long time. Try to maintain your nutrition. सर ने बता दिया है, मैं उस एस्पेक्ट पे बात नहीं करूँगा. Dr. Zainab will make sure you go till the last minute you are in the examination hall in a right frame of mind. तो पूरी तरीके से इस कैंप को यूटिलाइज करना. Try to extract every possible knowledge from Dr. Zainab. इतना परेशान कर देना कि मैम हमें कंप्लेंट करें, right? But take benefit of that. Also you have to learn the kind of hard work effort she is going to put into this camp. तो वो आपको धीरे धीरे खुद ही नज़र आएगा, मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. आप कोई भी यहाँ पे टेस्ट देते हो, CBT देते हो या फिर आप कोई ग्रैंड टेस्ट देते हो, उसका एनालिसिस ट्राई टू डू दी सेम डे. डॉक्टर ज़ैनब विल टेल यू अबाउट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ छोटी कॉपी. वैसे भी आपको अगर किसी सब्जेक्ट में समवेयर यू आर डूइंग सम एरर और मिस्टेक, ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट इट टू अ वन लाइनर, राइट इट इन दी नोट्स और एज छोटी कॉपी. वो आपको बाद में बहुत काम आएगा. पूरे कैंप में विल कीप ऑन कमिंग, विल कीप ऑन बोरिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन, राइट? बट मोटिवेशन लेवल आपको अपना बना के रखना पड़ेगा. PG सीट जो सोच के यहाँ पे आए हो, द डे यू लीव द कैंप, उस दिन वो बिल्कुल सॉलिड डिटर्मिनेशन होनी चाहिए कि दिस इज़ माई सीट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इट लाइक दीज 3 winners, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डू इट. ऑल द बेस्ट, स्टे ऑन कोर्स एंड विल स्टे इन टच. थैंक यू.
Zainab, your friends from boot camp who have done fantastic. Let's honor them.
Yes, absolutely.
Come, Ritika.
Come. So we have Abhidi,
Goga bhai and Vivek sir, please.
Ritik and Ananya.
इनके
I
लिए
don't
3
remember their
शानदार
ranks.
लैपटॉप बैग रवि ने सिलेक्ट करे हैं.
But I don't think it matters. See, the point that I'm trying to tell here is that you see them happy, you see them smiling. इनका नंबर अब immaterial हो गया है ना. The fact is that they are getting the seat that they wanted and that's it. So इस रैंक नंबर को इससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना भी नहीं है. नंबर अब इनसे डिटैच हो चुका है. इट डजेंट मैटर. दे आर नॉट गोना कैरी इट. दे आर गोना कैरी दैट शी इज़ गोना डू मेडिसिन, ही इज़ गोना डू ENT एंड शी इज़ गोना डू ऑब्स्टेट्रिक. दैट्स हाउ आई रिमेंबर. दैट्स व्हाट आई रिमेंबर, यू नो. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक away from this, that this is very very important. So sorry, I again started talking.
Your aim should be कि आप सब लोग सोच लो कि boot camp के बाद आपको भी यहीं पे खड़े होना है.
Abhidi Sethi, Ananya Singh,
Zainab
and Ritik Arora.
क्लैपिंग करो यार.
जोर से ताली बजा दो. मैं आपको बूट कैम्प का रूल नंबर 1 बताता हूँ. रूल नंबर 1 है कि जो भी जोर से ताली बजाता है उसका सिलेक्शन हो जाता है. They have prepared proper power points for you. बूट कैम्प को कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है, अभी नहीं तो वीडियो भी बना के डाला हुआ यूट्यूब पे. मिनट सुनना पड़ता है. So there is one very beautiful video I was seeing, right? अनुपम खेर शो में था वो, एंड शाहरुख खान से अनुपम खेर एक क्वेश्चन पूछता है, बड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन ये होता है दैट आप में से कितने को हिंदी समझ नहीं आती? तो ये समझ कैसे आ रहा है? ऑलराइट, सो क्वेश्चन ये होता है दैट अनुपम खेर शाहरुख खान से पूछता है, व्हाई डू यू थिंक यू आर द बेस्ट? कहता देयर इज नो डाउट आई एम द बेस्ट, आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू एक्सेप्टेड आई एम द बेस्ट. फिर वो पूछता नहीं, व्हाई डू यू थिंक यू आर नंबर वन? ही सेड बिकॉज आई एम द मोस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन. तो अनुपम खेर हंसता है, कहता है हार्ड वर्किंग मीन्स? ही सेड कि मेरे से ज़्यादा कोई मेहनत नहीं कर सकता. तो अनुपम खेर कहता है आई डिसएग्री. मुंबई में रोज़ 500-600 लोग आते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. शाहरुख खान कहता है नहीं सर, मुंबई में आके वो मेहनत करते हैं, शाहरुख खान बनने के बाद वो मेहनत नहीं करते. शाहरुख खान बनने के बाद मैंने मेहनत करी, राइट? तो वाई ज़ैनब वोरा इज़ ज़ैनब वोरा? बिकॉज वो ज़ैनब वोरा बनने के बाद भी उतनी ही मेहनत करती है जितना बनने से पहले करती थी. वाई यू थिंक फॉर about 22 years Goga Bhai is Goga Bhai, right? Because he is working just like the same level. मतलब उनकी लाइफ में अभी भी अगर एक क्वेश्चन आप उनको ट्रबल करा दो, वो किताबें सारी खोल के बैठ जाएंगे. वाई विवेक सर कोई छू नहीं पाया उस समिट को, राइट? वाई? बिकॉज वो आज भी मेहनत करेंगे. यहाँ पे मास्क भी उन्होंने प्रिवेंशन के नाम पे समझा दिया. यू नो, व्हेन यू विल ब्रीथ व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम, देन द डिफरेंस विल कम. तो जैसे अबिदी हैं, ऋतिक हैं, राइट, अनन्या हैं, they've started their steps. What Zainab says makes sense. हर 6 महीने में कोई फर्स्ट आएगा तो क्या हुआ? हर बंदा ज़ैनब तो नहीं बन जाएगा, है ना? सो आपकी लाइफ में एज यू प्रोग्रेस देयर बी सम ऑब्स्टेकल्स. रोज़ कठिनाई आएगी कि मैं सुबह बिस्तर से कैसे उठूँ, मैं क्या एक टॉपिक और पढ़ूँ. इसमें से कितने लोग ये 55 प्लस टुडे का डे मिला के 56 डेज प्रोसेस कर पाएंगे और यहाँ आ पाएंगे शो अप, राइट? वो डिसाइड करेगा क्या होगा. मैंने लास्ट बूट कैम्प में एवरी डे आई सॉ वन थिंग विच वॉज कॉन्स्टेंट ऑन माई व्हाट्सएप. सर पहली सीट पे लड़ाई होती है, कुछ तो आप पे मारा मारी भी हो गई, तड़क तड़क मुक्का भी मार दिया लोगों ने. मेरी सीट तूने कैसे ले ली? तुम्हें तो पता होगा पिछले साल कितनी बार युवा देर से कितनी लड़ाई थी यार पहली सीट में. जितनी लड़ाई यहाँ की सीट के लिए तुम करते हो ना, अगर तुम जेन्युइन सीट के लिए कर दो कि किसी बाप में दम नहीं है तुम्हें रोकता. So please start. Come. You will like to sit and explain? कि कैसे करेगी?
Hello everyone. Thank you so much sir, Apur sir, Ravi sir and ma'am for having me. So the first exam that I gave was May INI CET. In that I got a rank of 146, but I wasn't getting what I want. So I thought I didn't give my best. So I wanted if I give my best, whatever seat I get, I will take. So that was not my best attempt. So I thought, why not give it another try? So I went in for November INI CET, where I got a rank of 22. And now I will get what I want. So let me take you back 3 months. So me and Ritik and a lot of us were here with the hope to get what we want. We used to sit at that seat, the second pillar, the right side of it. And the journey from here to here is no mystery. It is something that Zainab ma'am tells us every day. Anybody wants to guess? The journey from there to here. Yes, baby steps. So allow me to take you through the steps which you can take from there to here. So step 1 is just show up, and this is something that you won't have to do. Just seeing ma'am, sir every day will push you enough to come up every day. You just have to come here, sit here, give your best every day for the next 55 days. Step 2 is set goals. It is said that top 3% of all the people in any given branch, in any given walk of life are the ones who make goals. Make goals and stick to them. This is what I knew before coming here. But here, what I learned, Ravi sir told it once, that apart from making goals for yourself, that this is what I have to do. Making a checklist that these are the 5 things I have to do today. Solve a GT, review the GT, give custom modules, attend ma'am's class with maximum attention. Apart from this, making a list of things which can go wrong in the day, which can prevent you from achieving that goal. Like suppose it can be as simple as getting up late, not coming here on time, or taking a long break, sleeping for long. So these can be the factors which may prevent you from achieving your goal, right? So we always say that INICT an exam which you can predict. So before you predict the exam, predict all the mistakes that you're going to make before you appear for the exam. Master the preparation to master the exam. So set goals for yourself either before sleeping or on the same day in the morning. This is something that I prepared about how you can spend your day at BTR Bootcamp. So we know the facility opens as early as 7 a.m. and it stays open till 8 p.m. So what you can do, what we tried to do was come here as early as you can, 7 a.m. Not to get a seat, but yes, to get a seat. But to also start your day, give yourself a head start. Do some high yield thing in the morning itself so that it pushes you to achieve higher throughout the day. So 7 to 9 a.m. I would like to call it HSS, that is Head Start Study Session. What to do in this? Like there are some people who have already done BTR once and there could be some people who are new to it. So since I had already done BTR once, what I used to do, I used to solve the PYQs of the topic of the day. Like suppose today surgery is going to be taught. So in the morning, I used to go through the PYQs so that I know I have done something high yield in the morning itself. Then from 9 to 3 or till whatever time the class goes, the target should be that you will have the maximum attention you've ever had in the day. At this point of time when ma'am is teaching, when the class stops, if somebody comes and asks you anything from that topic, you should know it by heart, right? So that is 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Then after that, in those 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., you can how you can go about is like write down only those things in your book which you don't remember. That is something that I've learned from ma'am only, that instead of writing all notes, do selective note making. And yeah, that's it. So after the class, give yourself a short break of lunch and then come back. This 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. is something that a professor used to say that is the most important part of the day. Study when no one's watching you. So that is a now session, no one's watching session. And this time you can complete your PYQs. Just before you leave the facility, make it a point, give yourself 1 hour and revise whole of the topic in BTR that you have done. Research says that if you revise something within 6 hours, it goes to your long-term memory. So before you leave the facility, give yourself 1 hour and revise BTR on the same day. Now this might sound very anticlimactic, but it is what it is. Something that is going to take you through are only 3 things. Consistency, consistency, and consistency. Just showing up every day, giving your absolute best every day is going to take you through. Make yourself a schedule, stick to it, take motivation from your peers around, take motivation, find it from inside, and keep going. So let me give you an example of a Formula 1 racing. So let us suppose to finish the race, you have to complete 100 laps in that particular time, and the person who completes the laps first is the winner. So consider every test you give, every day you show up as 1 lap. So if you miss 1 lap, you're already behind the race. If you miss 1 test, you're already behind the race. So do not miss any test. Do not miss any class because you're going behind the race again and again. You will have to then compound your efforts a lot. Please, I'm a little stuttering, I'm very sorry for it. But for every day you miss, every test you miss, you're moving behind. Just consider it as a race. You have to keep going. Even if you don't want to, you might want to lay back, relax, it's very chilly, don't want to go out. But no, you have to tell yourself, this is my 1 lap. This can take me through the day. At the end, I would like to share a song which pushed me every day through boot camp, through my preparation. It is called Vienna. It is a song by Billy Joel. He was a artist of the previous century. And the thing why it's called Vienna is because he was a big fan of Beethoven. He's a very famous pianist. And the birthplace of Beethoven was Vienna. And Vienna is a city that is considered to be full of music. So Billy Joel always wanted to go there, right? So Vienna is a city that lives and breathes music. And he writes about this song in which he says that Vienna is that place that gives me soul, that gives me home, that makes me happy. It's not necessarily cracking your PG exam. No, it is not just a place. It is a state of mind. I want you all to achieve this Vienna every single day before you sleep. How can you achieve that? By giving your absolute best every day. That is how you can achieve. When you know you didn't waste a minute, when you know you gave your absolute best in the day, that is the state of Vienna. And I would like to play this song for all of you, and maybe you can see the lyrics. And I'm playing the songs.
So much to do and only so many hours in a day. Slow down, you crazy child. You're so ambitious for doing now and then. You're so smart. Tell me why you still so afraid. Where's the fight? What's the hurry about? Do it all before you burn it out. You got so much to do and only so many hours in a day. Slow down, you're doing fine. You can be everything you wanna be before your time. Slow, plenty on the borderline tonight. Too bad, but it's the life you need. You're so unhappy yourself that you forgot what you need. Though you can see when you're wrong, you know you can only see when you're right.
Thank you so much for bearing with it. And I hope it adds some value to your preparation. All the very best.